sold, sold, and any other trade you took that you believed in, you had the confidence in taking, um, based on what you have learned from Stacy, from me, anybody. Uh, you've done well today. Remember, you must get paid for sitting down on that screen and for monitoring the market. Cloud, are you still in?
I got
You should have held it. I think
on
we may get we, we may get to CP.
yeah, I got like a 1 to 3 point sign. I was like, I don't get I'm gonna get up.
Okay.
Cause I'm just now starting to win trades. I'm so used to shit going against me. I'm still like scared.
Okay.
I gotta build up my
Okay.
confidence to stay in
Okay.
there.
Okay. Very good. Very good. I think trading together makes traders more confident. You see,
Yeah, yeah, it
the,
does.
the way I can sit down like throughout the night, look at markets, look for certain things that I would like to see, and then look back at the playbook and the ebook and see patterns that may have presented themselves for the next day. Some traders don't have that time. They may be working and trying to learn, so it's difficult for them. I really feel for traders who don't have time to sit down on their charts. Family men have kids, have to take the kids to school. No time at all. Take the kids to school, you go back to work. You know, it's a whole lot. I know most traders who will be in the office and looking at charts. Very distracting. Very, very sad. I just pray that everything comes together for a lot of traders out there so they can start executing this. Now, we see here the same area of sorry, how did I call it again? Area of agreement. So let's see. I didn't put up the 200% is now on. You can see after the area of agreement, we measure from high to the middle of that agreement and we project below. That market has exploded in the direction of that agreement zone. The 200% expansion is met. Also, I think this is a fresh red day. This should be right. Did anybody see this? A signal the first red day on the.
Oh, I did.
Okay. You saw it right.
I did.
Okay, very good, very good. And did you take it or you just moved on to your Aussie Aussie trade?
I moved on to my Aussie, bro.
Like I said, I would always remind you guys that the 3 day setup is a much more preferable trade to take than the first red days. It's quite
Exactly.
yes. It's quite. I know for most traders the first trade is easy, but for me I prefer that reversal from the top because that reversal from the top gives me an ACB. Okay, you see the first reversal is an ACB, but then the first red day is pulling back and taking us out, dropping again, pulling back, a whole lot of confusing stuff. But now that we understand the number of bars on higher time frames that may pull back to the EMA or against us can be 2, 3, or 4 bars. When we see that, we wait for the next open of the next bar. So 3 bar pullback, shit in your hand, just wait. Like yesterday, I was talking with Cloud. Cloud, remember the Euro card, our discussion, right? On the Euro card when we were live before my battery went down. At this area here, just at this area here, we were discussing. The market was pulling back. I told you it can be a 3 bar pullback, and that was a 3 bar pullback. 1, 2, 3 to the EMA. We continued. You see that 1, 2, 3, forming a wedge bottom, and that wedge bottom now has given us what? A reversal. Can you see? Point 1, point 2, point 3. So it can be 3 points. Point 1, point 2, point 3 breaks out of previous day's low, and we are currently looking at a market that is reversing, which can now be a 3-bar pullback, but we need to watch how many bars consecutively before we consider entering this market for a reversal, a buy reversal to the opposite side. So this is a wedge bottom.
Gakuna.
Yes.
I just need a favor from you, my guy.
Okay.
I know you don't trade it, but on NZJPY, I see a potential sell area. The reason why I'm saying that is because of it has presented a 3 weeks of breakout and 3 days of breakout.
Okay, I see
you can check it out.
I see you are very good with the 3 weeks of breakout. I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. I love that. Good one, bro. Good one. No, it's good to understand what you are looking for. Yes.
Exactly.
Somebody might be looking for an inside day. Someone may be sweating. He understands inside days, so he looks for inside day. He hunts for it. Okay. While you're looking for 3 weeks of breakout. Someone is looking for a red day. Another person is looking for a green day. Somebody is looking for 3 days of breakouts. A pattern within the larger 3 weeks of breakouts. Okay.
Exactly.
So let's go to the 1 hour. It's clearer and understandable from that point of view. So we broke out. We had a strong breakout. Okay. Now for me, I will start identifying potential patterns. Now we have a wedge, a 3-point wedge up. 1, 2, 3. A wedge pattern up. The market has reversed. Breakout. How many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to wait for the 5th bar to close below and to close the bear bar to close lower. Okay, and the next open to see if we would have a reversal. But if it doesn't, it can be a 1, 2, 3 bar reversal. That is a breakout, pullback, continuation. But we need consecutive bear bars collapsing. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So we have one big bar, a double top, lower high, like I said, lower high, major trend reversal. The 4 hour EMA acts as a magnet. So if this market should fail, even if it doesn't fail today, it will fail tomorrow. So we may have our take profit target here. Okay, so if it doesn't fail today, after we see okay, if the close of this bar, so this is a 4 hour, okay, 4 hour 1 to the third 4 hour bar should close below. Okay, this current bar should close below and open below. Okay, so let's say let me look at something. There's a pattern I'm looking at right now. Okay, so just understanding that this 4 hour EMA would now act as a magnet. It now stands as a magnet. Okay, go to the 1 hour, 2 bar on 4 hour. Remember, can be a 2 bar, 3 bar pullback. So let's be careful. A bear bar, we are in a bull market, right? The market is bullish. Now we've broken out again and we are up top. We have a bear bar pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, is that a doji right there? Let me see how that looks like. Okay, that's also a bear bar. Can you see that? It's a bear bar.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's a bear bar. So we have 5. Okay, we have 5 bear bars closing near their low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. I think the 6th bar should close open lower. This bar should close lower. The 6th bar should open lower, so we can potentially see, even if the market doesn't reverse.
I have a question.
Yes, go on.
Yeah. I'm thinking that if this bar will close as a pin hammer, so can we buy from you? Because it's a very good trending market and we are
Okay.
the closing price. So it can be a closing price, retest, and then continuation.
If it close as a pin hammer, we need the open of another candle to close above that pin hammer. Okay. Okay. If it closes, we need a bullish bar, a bull bar, closing near its high above that pin hammer. That's to say it's a breakout pullback trend continuation. Okay.
Yeah, I'm talking about that.
Yes. So this is why when we come to the market, we have to what? We wait. We look, we understand potential, what the market is doing, because we do not want to just jump into a market. We think, because most market I've seen like this, you think it's gonna fail before you know what's happening, boom, against you. Okay, so even if we don't trade it today, it may be a setup for tomorrow. Okay, this is 9:49, or do they plan on moving late? I have no idea, but let's just see how they would behave there. Let's see. It's a good good one, bro. Good one. I'll keep this pair on my watch list. How are other markets behaving? So you can see the take profit zone, like I put the 4-hour EMA is around here. That should be the take profit area for this market. If it breaks through that 4-hour EMA, then we may see an ACB. It may get there, and then we see reversal, close as a fresh red day. Now, fresh red day strugglers come tomorrow and start struggling with their dear lives. I regret not seeing this earlier enough, to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, bro, I regret not seeing that early enough. It's paining me. I feel pained. Yeah, because let's see. The Aussie GEP Aussie, I can't do anything here. I can't take any trade. My trade must complete. It has to just go. I have to take profit before I leave. So I think this has given us that confidence that if we actually follow what we have learned in the books, we can apply that and make good trades. Also understanding the bull bars and the bear bars and how they close. Cloud? Is Cloud still here with us?
I think it's not.
Okay. I think you can see how why I rarely trade oil, because I always look at oil at the wrong time. Like, it's frustrating. Chris, is Chris still here? Chris, is Chris at work? I'm sure Chris is at work. Are you still on your trade? The Aussie. Okay, my profit target, just look at that line projected there. That's my profit target. You see this line, that price area, just right here. For Chris, look at my profit target. Profit target is 0.63447. Chris, 0.63447. 0.63447. Officer, let's say go. Where is your take profit? Officer?
Same as yours, bro.
Are you sure?
100%. But I know tomorrow I'm gonna get a first red day, then it should continue lower.
Okay, good.
Maybe last week low.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But you know, I discovered the bounce off of the 4 hour EMA. So you might get a little bit grumpy around that zone. So take profit there. So guys, very well. Thank you so much for showing up. I really appreciate you guys for showing up. It's not easy. 1% better every single day. See you guys in the next one. Thank you. Take care, guys.
Also, okay.
Yeah, go on.
Watch on NZGPY.
Yeah, it's here already. I've put it on my watch list. You know, I'm trying to reduce my watch list to reduce analysis paralysis.
No, thank you.
All right, guys. Take care, guys. Take care. See you guys soon.
Bye.
All right.